Hello everyone, myself Dr. Dhara Barai, Meghdar Ayurved Hospital from Jamnagar, India. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well at their home, like India, like in Japan, like in Spain, like in America. What I mean, it is the first time in the history which epidemic has come. It makes suffer not only your city, not only your state, not only your country, but it has catch up the whole world together. In India, we said Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means it's a time to come together and be a like whole world, one family, and let's fight against this coronavirus situation. Now we have heard or talked so many about coronavirus and so many maybe wrong information or maybe half information about that situation. So let's talk about all these things, what we should do during this time to keep our immunity high and be safe against this virus at the home, and how to make ourselves more stronger. Now, in Ayurveda science, we consider this situation as a Janpadodvans. Means, in this situation, they affect the whole community, the large numbers of the people. We know Ayurveda is a personalized science. In Ayurveda, every person has their own constitution, but the four things like the Des means country, Kala means time, Jala means water, and Vayu means air. These four are common in the whole people. So Janpadodvans occurs when the visheshan of create of these four factors. So this Jala, Vayu, Kal and Des, they are individually or collectively responsible for the Janpadodvan situation. Now, in Ayurveda, we can divide this treatment protocol in the two parts. The first part is a preventive part, or we can call it stage 0 for those people who have a travel history or a contact history or quarantine at the home or maybe very mild symptoms or the starting of the coronas. And the second stage for those people who already affected from this virus or who already have a corona disease. So today we talk about the stage 0 situation. In stage 0 is for a preventive measure where we should follow the everything at our home, so we can increase our immunity, and because of that who people are at the home, they will not converted into the coronavirus disease person. So because of that we can broke this chain of coronavirus situation, and we can stop this disease in the going the stage of a spreading stage. In Ayurveda, the coronavirus disease situation we can correlate with the Kapha-Vata Jwar in the first stage, and in the advanced stage we call it a Sannipata Jwara. In the first stage there is a dosha visheshan of a Kapha and Vata, and in the Sannipata Jwara stage the dosa visheshan of whole doshas. So there because of the high kapha and high vata, the dhatu pakam means the is happen. Dhatu pakam means destroying of the our body tissues, and because of that the jwara and the respiratory system failures, the so many symptoms comes forward. Now we come on the preventive stage. First of all, you have to understand to in the preventive manner and to fight against coronavirus situation, your best friend is your immunity. And we also know that immunity is not a thing like that we can build up in a one day. Immunity always depend on how to you are following, how you are following your daily routine, your seasonal routine, how you are taking your daily food and all other activities. But that means not we can't do nothing now. No, we can do something to improve our immunity now also. So for that, we have to change our daily routine first. In Ayurveda, we say Aushad, Ahar and Vihara means medicine, food and our daily routine is the gradually they are more powerful than previous. Means compared to medicine, food is more powerful. Compared to food, your daily routine is more powerful than food. So to build up our immunity very strongly, we have to strictly follow our daily routine in very healthy manner. So now let's see what the lifestyle and the food we have to maintain to keep ourselves healthy during this epidemic time. So number one, wake up early in the morning. It is a very essential. You have to wake up with the sunrise. Because of that, you can harmony your body routine with the nature. And if you not wake up early in the morning, this time morning time is kapha time, and if you sleep during this time, it will increase your kapha, and this disease also kapha dosha disease. So we have to keep our kapha in the balanced form. So just wake up early in the morning and start your whole daily routine with the early morning. Number two, drinking warm water means you have to whole day drink the warm water. You have to heat the water, because if you don't warm the water, then water can't be easily digestible to our system. And you have to prepare some medicated panak means medicated water. You have to drink it whole day. How you have to prepare it? You have to take some water and add some sunthi means dry ginger, chandan means sandalwood, or tulsi or ushir, and boil it for 15 minutes, then filter it and drink this water throughout the day. It will also increase your immunity very strongly. Number three, you have to steam inhalation with tulsi or ajwain means Mexican mint, and even you can add some haridra also in this steam inhalation. Number four, you have to do dhupan in around your environment means with sarsav means the mustard seed, with the neem leaves, with the coconut, dry coconut, with the haridra, with the tulsi. You just with the guglu, yes, it's a very important, the guglu and the camphor. You or any of the drug or any of the herb plant which were available in your country, you just make the smoke from it and just make in your home and make your environment very virus free, very bacterial free and very holy environment. Number five, we have to do gargling with salt water or with the haridra water or with the triphala water. Make some warm water, add some triphala or haridra in it and make gargling 3 to 4 times a day. It will make stronger your respiratory tract. And number six, you have to do some nasal drop in your nose, because of the dry nasal septum is very high chance to catch up the virus. So you have to do 2 drops of oil in your nostril. It will give you protection against the pollution or even the virus. Number seven, you have to keep your eyes on your diet. Means you have to take very easily digestible and very light food. You have to must avoid very heavy food, very oily food and junk food. You can add in your diet some light cooked vegetables or green gram soup, some very light rice, or even in your food items, every time should add some ginger, some haridra, or some ajwain, like this type of herbs or spices. Because of that, your food can be easily digestible. And always keep your stomach 30% light. Don't eat every time with the full stomach. It is the most important thing to maintain our immunity and to avoid the dosha collection in our body. Even you can make a chutney from amlaki, means Indian gooseberry, onion, curry leaves, ginger and turmeric, and that also you can consume with your food or with your diet. Do fasting. Yes, it is a very important thing in Ayurveda. Whenever you feel heavy in your body or very lethargy in your body, immediately you come on the fast. Because of fasting, you can give the time to your body, can digest the previous undigested food. Even because of that, some phagocytes procedures also happening in your body, and this procedure can kill itself the virus, bacteria or any enemy cell in your body. So according to your body condition, according to your situation, just keep a 1 day fast in a week or 15 days a 1 day, according your body type and constitution. Now let's talk about some herbs which can helpful in this coronavirus prevention. If it is available in your country, you can try it and you can increase your immunity power. The first drug is a guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia. It is a very useful drug and it is a highly proven effect for rejuvenation, for Rashayana. So if you take this drug, you can fight against allergy and cold also, and in highly available in many countries in a tablet form or in a powder form. The second drug is a Yastimadu, licorice. It is a highly useful drug for URTI infection, and you can take this 1 teaspoon Yastimadu powder along with the turmeric or along with the black pepper powder. You can boil it in 2 cup water and boil it up to 1 cup water, then filter it and drink it. It highly useful in your cough and cold. The another drug is a Vasa, means Adatoda, which is also cough removal in nature and strengthen your lung capacity, and it can be used with honey or is in powder form or is a tablet form. And another drug is a Sudarshan tablet. It is a very useful drug for to fight against any fever situation. Even if you feel slightly feverish, not actual fever, then also you can take this tablet. And another one is amla juice, means Indian gooseberry. You have to make the juice of from this amla mixed with the honey, and you can take it in the early morning. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C and a very rich source of antioxidant. So it's provide you very good oxygen to your body. Now, according to Ayurveda, to fight against this virus and to increase our immunity, we have to keep maintain our Agni, our digestive power. Because of this virus or because of this environment situation or because of the kapha, our Agni become a very low. So to maintain our Agni power, we should take 1 teaspoon sunti, means dry ginger powder, at 10 o'clock in the morning. So because of that, you can very good fire of Agni, and you by 12 or by 1 o'clock, you get a very good hunger. So then whichever food or lunch you can take, it will easily get digest, and you have no any mandagni symptoms, and because of that also you can prevent from that coronavirus situation. Now last but most important thing, to fight against our stress and fear. It is a very, very important thing. So for that you have to practice some yoga or some meditation early in the morning or even in the evening also. So even in Ayurveda, where this chapter is written, Janpadodvans, there is the written the main treatment for this type of situation is the Panchakarma therapy, and second one is this type of Rashayana therapy. And this Rashayana therapy main thing is to Shraddhavrit Palan, means to be a good. You have to make yourself a happier, make a positive, then and then only you can maintain your immunity power. Because of your mind negativity also, we can get our low immunity. So just be a meditating, just be do a yoga and make yourself very positive and happy and stress free. So let's fight against corona with the Ayurveda. Thank you.